As I told you in the previous video, in this video I will show you how to remove noise in Audacity. Okay, so now at this moment I am in Audacity. To remove the noise, at first we have to import the audio. Okay, so to import the audio, go to File, Import Audio. From desktop I will select my sound clip, test sound clip, open. Sound clip is being imported. Okay, now these are sound and these are actually noise. Okay, so if I play the sound clip, then you will understand. Okay, if I play from here, so I am done. So what I have done so far, at first I have been, so hopefully you have understood the sound and noise. Okay, so to remove the noise, we have to select a free space on timeline where there is no sound wave but there have noise. So this is a free space. Okay, so just select the space. From here, effect, noise removal and repair, then noise reduction. Okay, now just click on get noise profile. Now we have to select the full timeline. Okay, from your keyboard press Ctrl A. Okay, then again go to effect, noise removal and repair, noise reduction. Then noise reduction, sensitivity, frequency smoothing, these are predefined value. Okay, just keep as it is. So make sure reduce is selected from noise, then just click on OK. See, applying noise reduction. Okay, noise has been removed. You are understanding the difference. Now if I play here, see, there is no noise. Again, if I play from here, so I am done. So what I have done so far, at first I have been, see, there is no noise. Okay, now we have to save this audio file. Okay, so just click on File, Export. So you can export as MP3, you can export as WAV according to your wish. Okay, I am exporting as WAV. Then select the location. I am saving on desktop. Then just click on Save. Okay, these are some professional thing. You can add your artist name, track title and all those things. Just click on OK. Exporting the audio as WAV. Okay, audio has been exported. Now I'm going to desktop and this is my audio clip from where noise has been reduced. Okay, so in this way you can remove noise in Audacity. So yeah, that's it.